Hello students, welcome to the online classes of Standard 8 subject Maths. Now we will see exercise 15.1. Chapter is Introduction to Graphs. So in the previous lecture we discussed about bar graph, line graph, histogram, pie graph. Okay. Here example of line graph it is given. The following graph shows the temperature of patient in a hospital recorded every hour. So from the graph, we have to give the answer. First question. Okay, let's see first of all the graph. Here it's a graph. Okay, temperature of a patient at a particular time. So here temperature is given and here on the x-axis time is given. At 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, then 11, 12, 1, 2 and 3. Okay. And temperature 34, 35 up to 39. What is the first question? What was the patient's temperature at 1 p.m.? So in this graph, where is the 1 p.m.? Here it's a 1 p.m. So at 1 p.m., what is the temperature? So here is a 1 p.m. So what is the temperature at 1 p.m. on the y-axis? So on the y-axis, it meets to the between the 36 and 37. So between 36 and 37, it's a 36.5 degree Celsius. Okay. Second one, when was the patient's temperature 38.5? So temperature is given. So move to the y-axis. Where is 38.5? Here in the middle. So here this temperature shows up to here. Here is the point. So what is the time? What was the time at that moment? It's a 12 noon. Okay. Here is the answer. C. The patient's temperature was the same 2 times during the period given. What were these 2 times? 2 times it was the same. So you can see the line graph here. You can see this both temperatures are same, equal. Okay. So what was the time at that moment? 1 p.m. and 2 p.m. It's given here 1 p.m. and 2 p.m. Fourth one, what was the temperature at 1:30 p.m.? So where is the 1:30? Here is the 1:30 between 1 and 2. So move towards the y-axis. At that point, what is the temperature of y-axis? 36.5. So what is the answer? 36.5. How did you arrive at your answer? So how you calculated this one? So here is given the point between 1 p.m. and 2 p.m. We have to see the point between this 1 p.m. and 2 p.m. X-axis is equidistance from the 2 points showing 1 p.m. and 2 p.m. So it represents 1:30 p.m. Similarly, on the point on the y-axis between 36 and 37 Celsius degree will represent 35. Okay, so one by one, first we have to see 1:30 p.m. between the 1 and 2 on the y-axis. Okay, at equidistance. At the same point, we have to see the y-axis also. So extend this point towards the y-axis. So you will get the point between 36 and 37. E. Last one. During which periods did the patient's temperature showed an upward trend? So during which period? This temperature is an upward trend. So from this point to here, okay, it's in a upward trend. So it's between 10 and 11 a.m. So what is the answer? Yeah, we have to consider this one also. Okay, from this 9 o'clock to 11 o'clock, it's increasing. So answer is 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. Second question, the following line graph shows the yearly sales figures from manufacturing company. We have to give the answer. So this question is in the homework. Already answers are already given. Let me explain the graph. This graph is about the yearly sales. Okay, particular sale for any manufacturing company in a different years. Here from 2002 to 2006 is given, and on the y-axis sales. What is the amount sales? Rupees in crore. It is given 2 crore, 4 crore. So you have to give the answer from the question. Question number 3. For an experiment in a botany, two different plants, plant A and B, were grown under similar laboratory conditions. So here experiment is given for two plants A and B, and both the plants were grown under the same condition. Okay, their heights were measured at the end of each week for 3 weeks. That both plants were grown up to 3 weeks, for 3 weeks in the same laboratory condition. After the 3 weeks, their heights are measured. So the results are shown by the following graph. Here is the graph. You have to give the answer from the graph. Plant B and plant A. Plant A is shown with the dotted line and plant B is shown with the continued line. Okay. Here on the x-axis number of weeks are given, and here y-axis height is given in a centimeter. So here is a starting from 1 week, 2 week and 3 week. Height is 2 centimeter, 4 centimeter up to 14 centimeter. First question, how high was the plant A after 2 weeks and 3 weeks? So we have to consider plant A only for 2 weeks and after 3 weeks. So at 2 weeks, here is the point, that is a 7 centimeter, and for the second week, here is a point for the second week, so that is a 9. Okay, so 3 weeks, after 2 weeks it's a 7 centimeter high, and after 3 weeks it was a 9 centimeter high. Question number second one, how high was the plant B after 2 weeks and 3 weeks? So same thing you have to apply. Third one, how much did plant A grow during the third week? Here is the third week. So third week, after 3 weeks, its height was 9 centimeter. So as compared to second week, we have to find out the answer. Here in the question it is not mentioned, but after second week it was 7 centimeter, and after 3 week it was 9. So 9 minus 7, so 2 meters height was grew during the third week. Fourth question, how much did plant B grow from the end of the second week to the end of third week? Okay, so for the plant B, you have to get the height of this plant after second and third week, and you have to subtract it. Question number E, during which week did plant A grow most? So you can see starting here from 0 to 2 in a first week. Okay, 2 centimeter. In the second week from 2 to 7. So 2 to 7, it means 5 centimeter. And from the during the third week, 7 to 9, so 2 centimeter only. So we can say during the second week, plant A grew highest during the second week. Same question for the plant B. Last question, were the two plants of the same height during any week shown here? Specify. Okay, same height during the time. So here is the same height, here is the both meeting point is given for the both plants. So it's during the second week. Okay, in short, we can say at the end of the second week, not during the second week, plant A and B were grown at the same height. Okay, Question number 4 onwards we will see in the next lecture. Thank you.